My name is John Moore. I'm CEO of Acorn Energy, and Acorn is a NASDAQ-listed company, symbol ACFN. Our market capitalization is around $85 million, and we're an energy technology holding company. And we have kind of a venture capital approach. So the benefit to our investors is they get to invest in very exciting clean tech companies that are not available in the public market other than by buying Acorn stocks. Our first company that we took public was a company called Comverge that we assembled by buying the assets of Lucent and Scientific Atlanta, the energy intelligence assets. We put those into a company. We took it public through Citigroup for a $250 million pre-money valuation, and later we did a secondary through Goldman Sachs at a $600 million valuation. We then took that capital and we've redeployed it into 4 very exciting private companies that we think that have the same or greater potential than Comverge. Cologix is a clean coal company based in Charlotte, North Carolina. We have 2 plants, one which is operational, the second one which is coming on stream in the second half of 2010. And Cologix addresses a market of regeneration of catalyst for coal-fired power plants. What this catalyst does is it converts NOx, which is nitric oxide, into nitrogen and water. So it's a very elegant process. We have created the market in the United States for the regeneration of this catalyst. We have 90% market share. There's $1.5 billion of the catalyst. And one of the things I think is exciting about this is really an asset class which has not gone through its full maintenance cycle in the coal-fired power plant. So it's just very early in the growth. So even though our revenue grew by 80% year over year, we think the best growth is still ahead of the company. As a matter of fact, Platts Global Energy Awards named Cologix Commercial Technology of the Year, beating the Chinese National Petroleum Company and Lennox, the air conditioner producer. It's really benefiting from 3 major pieces of legislative drivers, regulatory drivers. So the first was in January 1st of 2009, the Congress approved the Clean Air Interstate Rule, and that requires the coal-fired power plants to use this catalyst 24/7. So that was very important to us. Second of all, there's legislation pending in Congress right now to reduce the amount of mercury produced by coal-fired power plants by 90%, the amount of SO2 by 80%, and further reduce NOx emissions by an additional 50%. That will be a further catalyst for the growth of our business. And lastly, China. And China, on January 27th of 2010, just mandated NOx reduction in all their coal-fired power plants that are over 200 megawatts, which is thousands of plants. And what that will mean will be that they'll have to put in these SCR systems and the catalyst that we regenerate. They also said in the legislation that activity regeneration of catalyst should be deemed a priority. So we think that as the world's largest regenerator of catalyst, that we have a very large opportunity in China. DSIT is going to participate in this Nuclear Regulatory Commission mandate of underwater security because we created the market for underwater diver detection for energy terminals. We were recently written up in Jane's Defense Weekly. And what we do is we put arrays of sonar at the water intake ports of nuclear power plants and oil terminals to prevent terrorists from coming and either blocking the water intake valves, which would cause a meltdown of the nuclear power plant, or for destroying the oil terminals. We have about 90% market share opportunity right now. We have installations in the Middle East and in Eastern Europe, where major geopolitical fault lines, and we think this business is going to grow very dramatically in the near future. GridSense is going to really benefit from the recent $4.5 billion of smart grid grants that's going to be matched by another $4.5 billion by private industry. So $9 billion is going to be spent over the next several years to update the electrical grid. So what GridSense does is we make very inexpensive devices that go on transformers and overhead lines that make the grid, converts it from basically an analog system to a digital system, and enables the utilities to extend the life of the assets like transformers and overhead lines. CoreWorks is a company which makes software to build major capital projects. And right now the world is going through a major building binge of energy infrastructure. For example, in North America, President Obama is planning to spend $54 billion in U.S. loan guarantees to enable the building of nuclear power plants. And nobody's ever built a nuclear power plant on time and on budget. So what CoreWorks has done, CoreWorks is invested ahead of the curve. We have a very unique product which enables the design certification of nuclear power plants and the building of nuclear power plants on time and on budget. And that product has been adopted by Babcock and Wilcox, which is one of the largest and longest builders of nuclear power facilities around the world. Acorn defines the problems that we have not as fuel problems, but as infrastructure problems. And infrastructure problems are a very clear and present danger in our country, and we've got some really smart solutions to helping our country and the world deal with these problems.